Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Tacoma door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You'll also need a new replacement door handle assembly. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in, as this will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel. Start by using your trim removal tool to carefully pry off any decorative trim pieces. Locate and remove all screws holding the panel in place, often found behind the handle or armrest. Once all screws are out, gently pull the panel away from the door, disconnecting any electrical connectors for windows or locks. Now it's time to replace the handle itself. Carefully disconnect the linkage rods and cables attached to the old handle. These are usually clip-on mechanisms. Remove the screws that secure the old handle assembly to the door frame. Once the old handle is free, position your new handle in place, reattaching the screws, linkage rods, and cables securely. Double-check all connections. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel, ensuring they click firmly into place. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and push it back into position, securing it with all the screws you removed earlier. Before finishing, test the new door handle, window operation, and door lock to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.